I stand here before you as a novelist, a historian, and an art researcher who spent the best part of the last 20 years trying to basically rewrite the past through a series of 6 novels, which has looked at the role of women in the Renaissance. Because if I were to ask you now, and Simon's very beautifully given the opportunity by naming 6 superstars, the names of people who are famous to you during the Italian Renaissance, you would almost certainly come up with men. But history has been changing around us as we've lived. And over the last 30 or 40 years, scholars, mostly women, but some men, have done a lot of work on resurrecting the dead, finding those women, be they nuns, be they women painters, be they courtesans, who did play a part in this extraordinary moment called the Italian Renaissance. And that's what I've been working on for a long time, including maligned figures like Lucretia Borgia. But I have never, in my research, come across anybody as colorful, as outrageous, as opinionated, as difficult, as extraordinary as this woman here, Isabella d'Este.